Howdy. Welcome to my channel. It's me, Wei, and join me as we're gonna talk about working with Canva Elements, a detailed guide using text, images, icons, and other elements here on Canva. So what are you waiting for? Maximize your screen, get your headset, open up your Canva application, whether it's on the phone or on the desktop, it doesn't matter. So you can follow all that I am saying here. Any suggestions and feedback are always welcome in the comment section below. So you already have an account, am I right? So for those who don't have any account yet, please watch my previous video as I show you how to create an account on Canva. So let's get started choosing your design type. Just click create a design. Dito pwede kang pumili ng design na gusto mong gawin. Canva offers templates for social media posts, poster, flyers, and presentation, and more. Or choose the right dimensions for your design. It's either by pixel, by millimeter, inches, centimeter. Paalala ko lang, dapat sigurado ka dun sa dimension na ilalagay mo. This ensure your content fits perfectly on the intended platform such as Instagram, Facebook, or printed projects mo. So before I continue, don't forget to like, share, and follow or subscribe to my channel para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong video na i-upload ko. Now, the Canva editor will open up. You can now decide on a background for your design. It could be a solid color or an image. Canva provides a library for backgrounds to choose from. Your design may include various elements, text, add headings, subheadings, or body text, customize font size and colors, icons. Enhance your design with relevant icons. Search Canva extensive library. Photos and illustration. Insert images to convey your message visually. Pwede kang gumamit ng Canva stock photos or mag-upload ka ng sarili mong photo from your desktop or from your phone. Shapes. Use shapes like rectangles, circles, or arrows to create visual interest. Canva offers a wide range of design elements including high-quality photos, free GIFs, stock videos, background music, and more. While most of these are free, some are required pro account and others come with a small fee. To access them, simply click on the Elements tab on the side panel. You can use the search bar to find specific elements to browse through the different categories by scrolling sideways, or check out some example elements for different categories by scrolling down. To add an element to your design, simply double-click or click and customize it as needed. In my next video, I'm gonna give you Canva design tips. So we're gonna tackle the tips on layout, color scheme, and visual hierarchy within Canva. Kaya mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell button to be keep updated. And a short disclaimer, this video is not a Canva sponsor. I'm Wei.